Today's question comes from Bryant D in Lansing, Michigan. Bryant asks, in a search environment where local is becoming increasingly important and more full on the SERP, how can an out-of-town company compete with the local-based and locally housed competition without lying to show up in these local results? Well, Bryant, I mean, the entire page of web rankings is there that out-of-town people can compete on. So the idea of the local universal results is to show local businesses. So in some sense, there's not really a way where if you're out of town, you can sort of show up within our guidelines and show up as a local business. Now, if you are a mobile business, so for example, maybe you're a plumber and you get into your pickup truck and you drive around in a particular area. So if you're a mobile business, then in Google Places, you can specify a service area, which is roughly 50 miles around where you're based. But that's only if you actually have some base of operations there. You can't be based in, Topeka and claim that you have a service area in Wyoming if you have no physical presence there. And I think that that's a good idea. You do want to have local businesses show up. And I know that the team has been really paying a lot of attention to trying to improve Maps quality, make it more robust, check on the authenticity of businesses, and that will only continue. So, if you're an out-of-town company and you're looking for a way to show up locally and you don't really have any presence there, there's not really a way to do that. But if you are a mobile business, then you can use that 50-mile sort of service area around where you're based within Google Places. So that's one option to know about.